Hi everyone, this is Galen Martling. Today I have a really sweet video with a dog and a panda bear, and this is using dry embossing and then adding stenciling, and specifically layering stenciling. I do this for both cards. I'm doing different colors and different backgrounds and different die cut icons, and basically it is just using the texture of the embossing folder and the matching stencils, the layering stencils that add beautiful detail in the back for texture and interest to help make those icons pop. So this card is the first one. It's a little dog. It's an I love you, maybe Valentine's Day or love theme card. And it's so sweet. I added the sentiments. All of that was die cut on the top there. I ink blended all of the die cut pieces for the dog and the panda bear. But this is the panda bear assembly, and you see it was all die cut and ink blended a little bit on the edges and for some of the color. And I used also some color cardstock for these, and then I assembled them with glue. Now onto the second one, I went ahead and die cut both of these with an oval scalloped die, and this second one is on craft color cardstock, and that is going to be ink blended with different colors. So I chose green and a peach and more of darker shades on the outer edges of those, and then more of a lighter color on that third layer. There's 3 stencils in this set. I love it. It coordinates so beautifully with the embossing folder. And so this is another way to stretch your embossing folders and your stencils. Now the stencil can be used on its own, obviously, but I wanted to pair them for these projects. And this is the panda assembly, and it just putting it right on top with a new sentiment. This is birthday theme. I just love it. It's so sweet. And so this way you get 2 cards in one setting using similar supplies. It's just wonderful. I hope you give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Have a wonderful day.